Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we went for some makeup shopping. So this video is all about makeup. So we will show you what all we purchased today, what all you can get if you do not have any makeup with you, what are the basic things that you will require. Yes, of course you can add or reduce some things which you do not want, but this is actually everything that you will want to complete your that look for the party. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So guys, these are all the products that we got in our shopping from our shopping today. These are all the makeup things that you would need if you want to buy makeup, if you want to create your own collection of makeup. So when we came from Bangalore, we thought, okay, it's almost a lockdown, we won't need any of the products, any makeup. So we thought we'll not take any of our makeup products this time when we come home. But since we had to start our YouTube channel, which we had no idea that we will start, so we needed some makeup to look a bit presentable. So we thought, why not do a makeup haul and get all the products from the scratch. So we decided to do a makeup haul in getting all the products from the scratch. I mean, we didn't had anything here available to us, so we got everything today, and we have shared all the details of the product with you ahead. So please watch the video and do let us know if you have any reviews or any recommendations for us. So let me show you all the makeup that we got today. First is the Fit Me foundation, shade 230. We got a small one because we need it for a small duration, and we already have all the shades, but we didn't have anything available here. So we got this Fit Me foundation. After that, we got a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer in the shade 120 light, and this is one of my favorite concealers because it's you get two concealers in Maybelline, but this one is really effective and goes very well with the skin. Then we got Fit Me compact powder, which is shade 120. This also is very good if you have a lot of oily skin. So I use it usually to set my foundation, or after I'm done with my makeup. If my skin is getting a bit oily, I use this one. So it keeps my makeup at single place. After you're done with your concealer and your foundation and you want to bake, so we'll do a baking tutorial another time, or you can use a lot of tutorials that are already available on the web. So I really like Fit Me baking powder, loose powder, sorry. Then we got kajal, which is also a liner, Maybelline. We got a lot of Maybelline stuff because it's cost effective and it's really good. The quality and everything is really nice for Maybelline. So we got this liner. Then we got a mascara, also of Maybelline, Hyper Curl. So I use it twice. So we got this Hyper Curl mascara. This is really good. You have to apply it twice to have that dramatic eyelash effect. So I don't use any fake lashes, so this one works really well. Then we got Plum Kajal, which is also, Plum is also one of my favorite brands, and the kajal is really dark and it's smudge proof and gives a nice matte effect. So after that we got beauty blenders, very important if you want to blend all that foundation. I have used brushes and beauty blenders, but I think beauty blenders are better than brushes. We got this Lakme Absolute Gel Primer. Primer is really important if you are trying using the makeup for the first time. It really helps to start your skin for makeup. You have to cleanse really well and then go ahead and apply primer and then put your foundation to make it stay at one place. So we got the gel based one. They also have the cream based. Then after that we got eyebrow kit. So brow game is really important when you are doing your makeup. So I'm not sure about the brand, but the palette looked really cute, so we bought one. So it has all the necessary colors. So this is a pretty color, gray one. It helps really well if with your black brows, so you don't really fill the brows black, you go gray or light brown, so make it appear more natural. So after that we got a highlighter, which is again one of the brand that I don't know, but the shades looked real nice. So we got this highlighter, again I'm not sure about the brand, Lac You Beauty, but the palette looks really nice. I really like the golden colors, so whenever I use the golden color for highlighting, it really looks really cool and nice, I think. Yeah, so after that we got lipsticks. So one of them is Lakme Cushion Matte and two liquid lipsticks in the shade peach pink. So for the daily makeup, and generally peach and pinks are the ones that we prefer. After that we got nail paints of various colors. So we got red, peach and caramel, and one black, and a transparent nail paint to apply on as a coat on all of them, so it looks really shiny. After that we got our brushes. So this one brush I got for highlighter specifically, because I can use my finger to put a highlighter, but the brushes also look really nice. Then there's one more brush that I've used. I just want to try it because the point looks really nice. Point in this brush, it looks really good. See, and it's so soft. I think it will be real nice for applying my foundation. I got a set of these kind of brushes for eyes. So it has a spoolie, and for my applying my eyeshadow, and for the brows, everything. So this is just a little palette which helps in applying makeup. This is mandatory if you're trying to apply your makeup for the first time. I think I really like applying my eyeshadow with the brushes, because with my finger I get too much product on my hand and then it's all too much color. So I go for the brushes.
It's all over your face.
So yeah, this looks really nice and it's very affordable, and the product looks fine. Yeah. Now we'll do eyeshadow palettes. So we got two eyeshadow palettes from Swiss Beauty. So the colors are really bright. So we got two palettes from Swiss Beauty. I was confused which one to get. One is shimmer, one is matte, and the colors in both of them are real good. So this one has really bright colors, so I am a fan of using this color as a base, and this color also as a base, and green looks really nice. So we got this one, and one is a shimmer palette which helps to glamorize your makeup. If you're looking for something really bright, then I think you should go for the shimmer. Personally, I prefer matte and then applying some shimmer if I'm interested. Otherwise, matte looks just good. So After that, we got one more palette from Huda. I don't think this is the real Huda, but the colors are cute. So it has also really nice colors. I like bright colors in my eyes, on my eyes, sorry. So yeah, I like bright colors. So I got 3 palettes. Yeah, that's it for the makeup. And to complete the look, we got a blush from Lakme 925 Pure Rogue. This color is really good. I'll try and let you know. I have not used a Lakme blush, so I just got this one. We'll try it once and let you know how the product looks on your skin. I am not sure about this one. So we got this really nice cotton pads to remove our makeup. And before you start off with your makeup, you should really cleanse well your skin, make it ready for the makeup, cleanse, tone, apply a primer, a serum. Just take care of your skin before applying so much. So we got 2 Mamaearth face washes. One is vitamin C skin illumination and one is tea tree. And we personally like Mamaearth products because it is very natural and it is very very organic products. It doesn't have too much of chemicals in it, so the quality of these Mamaearth products are very good. So we personally recommend Mamaearth product because they are very good to use. They are very good, very light on your skin as well. And we got a plum moisturizer, again green tea. This one is really light on your skin, plus it's good for your skin if you have oily skin or a pimple prone skin, acne prone skin like I do. So it really helps that. And then there's a toner, again green tea. This green tea range from Plum really suits me, and it is very helpful. Also it's alcohol free, so it doesn't burn or anything, because I have used toners which are really burning your skin and in that. So I like both of them. So this is our makeup haul from today. This is we didn't have any makeup here, so this is from the scratch we started and we purchased all this stuff today. So let us know if you like these stuff, or if you want us to review any single product, or you're looking for links to buy anything. So you can refer to this video and start your own makeup journey if you're interested in makeup. So this is just a basic video of makeup. We will get a lot more videos related to makeup to you in future. Guys, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and keep watching. Bye bye.